everybody, welcome back to our channel Programming School. So TECHGIG had come up with different kinds of hackathon challenges. So in this video I'll be sharing you the details of those challenges. So do watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe Programming School. Let's start the video. First you need to go and check with the challenges that are available in this TECHGIG website, and you can find here HackonAzure for Illusion, which is an exciting challenge. So let's check the details of this challenge. This HackonAzure for Illusion is hosted by the Microsoft Corporation India Private Limited. In this hackathon, we are having two different kinds of rounds, like round one, which is Azure Fundamentals Challenge, and it's an optional round. If you complete this challenge, you will be getting an additional reward of 25,000. The only thing you need to do is you need to submit a screenshot of your Azure Fundamentals Challenge final score, and then you can win that reward. So when coming to the online hackathon phase, which is round 2, which is also a mandatory round, and the real challenge starts from here. The objective of this challenge is you need to build a solution on cloud architecture using Azure services while choosing from any one of the themes which are provided in this hackathon. You can go through the hackathon details overview. Basically, TECHGIG is associated with Microsoft Azure and brings out the biggest challenge on the cloud for the developer ecosystem. This hackathon, as I already said you, this hackathon consists of two different rounds, where the round 1 is completely optional and the second round is the mandatory round, where basically the second round objective is to provide a competitive platform for the professional developers to showcase their cloud expertise alongside their technical powers by building solutions on Azure Cloud. Basically, you need to develop a solution using Azure services in the Azure Cloud. Our teams and experts will be judging you not just on your coding skills, but also on different parameters like innovation, creativity, originality, usability, design, and the effectiveness of the solution. Basically, you need to start thinking creatively. You need to think about your own logics. You need to design in such a way that it's really fantastic and it's really useful in making the problem statement even much more easier. This hackathon is basically intended for professionals who wants to showcase their cloud expertise. You can go through Microsoft Azure in this website. I'll be providing you the website link in the description box. Now let's go and check with the prizes. We are having 3 different kinds of prizes, as well as the stand chance to win additional cash reward, which is nothing but a round 1, where you need to showcase your cloud challenge score details so that you will be winning 25,000. First is 1 lakh, second prize is 75,000, and the third prize is 50,000. So let's check with some of the rules that we need to follow. You can go through all these 10 rules. I'll be providing you the link in the description box. Go check this and participate in this challenge. Here you can also find some deliverables, which is nothing but what actually you need to do. As I already said you, deliverables of round 1 is you need to upload a screenshot of your final Azure fundamentals. As I said you, round 1 is not that mandatory round. Round 2 participation is mandatory, and round 1 is just an round which, if you wanted to participate or not, it's up to your wish. So deliverables of round 2, you need to upload your final submission in a presentation. You can download the sample presentation where you will be picking one theme. Here you can find themes, right? You can, in the below themes you can find one theme, and then you need to develop a solution for that, and you need to make a presentation using this sample PPT. And you also need to make a video regarding the working prototype and the proof of that concept. So this is what all about round 1 and round 2, and here are some FAQs. Go through these FAQs and get clarified about your doubts. So let's check with some of the themes. Like you can see here themes like empowerment, mobility, access, and inclusion. Empowerment is nothing but you need to build solutions supporting women in rural areas through improving access to jobs, education, healthcare, or solutions that can improve women's safety in the country. Basically, empowerment is a round which is related to the women's safety as well as the empowerment of the woman. When coming to the second, mobility, you need to improve mobility and access across the country for the individuals with disabilities and the elderly. So you can go through all these four, like access, which is nothing but you need to build a solution that enable the youth from the rural areas or the tribal communities across India to find jobs in private or government sector, or help them to connect with the top corporates in the country for upcoming skills and employment opportunities. So basically, these are some of the above three problem statements are really interesting problem statements. First one is which is completely related to women, and second one which increase mobility and access over the country's elderly persons, and third one is completely for the youths who are staying in the rural areas in order to get jobs or explore themselves using this solution which you are going to develop. And finally, inclusion. You need to build solutions that could improve access to jobs, increase earning potentials, and open up economic opportunities for the LGBTQ community in the country. Basically, all this for interesting themes which are related to youth and as well as the women as well as the elderly people. And these teams are really interesting to develop a solution for. So do register immediately and participate in this challenge. Thank you.